Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tracy, and today I'm going to take you through how to use the Google Forms. And as we all know, the Google Forms, it's a free online tool that allows users to create surveys, quizzes, and questionnaires easily. So just know it's also used in education, businesses, and research, gathering information and feedback. So in this video, we are going to discuss most of its features and some of its benefits and practical applications. So before we go further, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for you not to miss interesting updates in future. So as you know, let's say the Google Forms is one of the Google applications, and in the previous videos we talked about some of these Google applications like the Google Drive, Google Contacts, and the Google Translator. So in this video we are going to talk about the Google Forms, which is here, and for you to you can choose any of the templates you've been given here, or if you feel like the one you want is not among these templates, you can come here to the gallery and choose the one you want. So for me, I'm going to choose a blank form, which is this one. As you can see, it offers a simple drag and drop interface, making it easy to create and customize forms without any technical skills. And also, like this one, let me say you can describe it. Let me say the description is, and the question, you can choose a question of your own choice. Let me say this is my question, and there are also question types, and users users can choose from various question formats, including the multiple choice, checkboxes, short answers, depending on the data collection needs. Like here, multiple choice. There is the multiple choice, checkboxes, short answers. Depending on any you want, but for me, here I'm going to choose multiple choice. And if you want to add another question, you come here and add, and again you choose. Let me say if the first question was asking for the name, and probably let's say this question was asking for the name. We change it here to a short answer, then we go to the second one here. So this question should be for email, and it's gonna be also short answer. If you want to add another one, like let me say gardens. If it's for your gardens, you can choose it. You can choose to make it be multiple choice. Depends. And also, there is this feature, the customization. These forms can be personalized with themes, images, logos. Okay, okay, depending on your needs. Here, you can add your image, your video, add a section, a title description, import questions, or even here, the themes, and just now, multiple users can also collaborate on a form simultaneously, enabling teams to work together, and also responses are automatically generated. Okay, like they are automatically collected and generated. They are automatically collected and organized in Google Sheets, like for a teacher to easily go through the students' answers. So I think that's all for the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.